Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky on Saturday talked about Russia's invasion and atrocities in the city of Kherson and said that Russian forces destroyed the critical infrastructure in the southern city before fleeing. He further added that the local authorities were starting to stabilize the city after the retreat of the Russian forces. But pro-Moscow forces are putting up a much stiffer fight elsewhere, and Zelensky said that the battle in the eastern Donetsk region were hellish. Before fleeing from Kherson, the occupiers destroyed all the critical infrastructure: communications, water, heat, electricity, Zelensky said in a video address. Russians everywhere have the same goal: to humiliate people as much as possible. But we will restore everything, believe me, he continued. Zelensky said that Ukrainian troops had taken control of more than 60 settlements in the Kherson region. Police have launched stabilization measures. Stabilization measures are also underway in Kherson, he said, noting that almost 2,000 mines, tripwires, and unexploded shells had been dealt with so far. Ukraine was able to conduct successful operations in Kherson and elsewhere in part because of resistance in Donetsk region in the face of repeated Russian attacks, he said. There it is just hell. There are extremely fierce battles there every day, he said. But our units are defending bravely. They are withstanding the terrible pressure of the invaders, preserving our defense lines. Ukrainian soldiers entered the key southern city of Kherson on Friday after Russian forces earlier said that they had completed their retreat across the Dnipro River. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky called the withdrawal of Russian troops a historic day in the conflict. Jubilant residents welcomed the Ukrainian troops arriving in the center of Kherson on Friday after Russia abandoned the only regional capital it had captured since its invasion began in February. People popped bottles of champagne, sang the national anthem, and shouted "Glory to Ukraine." Some expressed surprise at the speed of events. There have also been celebrations around the country with many children and teenagers celebrating in the capital city Kyiv and Odessa.